Welcome to the 0 to 1 Blueprint. If you're ready to start a business, stop. Put down the business plan template, forget about a logo, and don't even think about the name. All of that is secondary. The first, most critical thing you must do is fall in love with a problem, not a solution. The biggest reason businesses fail is that they build a fantastic answer to a question no one is asking. Your job in step 1 is to find a truly painful problem that people will gladly pay you to solve. Part 1. Defining your customer and their world. You cannot solve a problem for everyone. You need to be a sniper, not a shotgun. This is where you create your customer avatar. Ask yourself, who, exactly, are we serving? Is it a small business owner? If so, which kind? Example, a solo plumber, a 10-person e-commerce shop, or a restaurant owner. Is it a consumer? If so, what age, income, and lifestyle? Example, young professionals who commute 45 minutes a day and listen to podcasts. Take a moment and fill in the blanks. Our ideal customer is a job title, role, who lives in specific region, and is currently trying to achieve specific goal. Get a picture of this person in your head. They are your target. Part 2. The art of pain discovery. Now that you know who they are, you need to find their biggest source of frustration. This isn't about minor annoyances, it's about finding a problem that is costing them heavily. We use the 3 C's of problem finding. 1. Crying. Where are they complaining? Look at online forums, social media comments, and reviews of competitors. If 50 people on a Reddit thread are complaining about the same thing, that's a problem with market potential. 2. Costs. How much is the problem worth? Does it cost them time? Example, 10 hours of wasted manual labor per week. Does it cost them money? Example, $1,000 in monthly late fees. Or does it cost them emotion, e.g., constant stress, lost sleep, fear of failure? A great business solves a problem that has a high cost. 3. Current fix. How are they solving this problem right now? The key is, they are already trying to solve it. They might be using a complicated spreadsheet, an expensive agency, or just ignoring it and hoping it goes away. If their current fix is clunky and expensive, that's your window of opportunity. Part 3. Crafting the problem statement. The final deliverable for step 1 is a crystal clear, 1-sentence problem statement. This is the foundation of your entire business. If you can't state it simply, you don't understand it yet. The formula. Our customer segment is struggling with the pain, obstacle, which results in quantified cost in time, money, or emotion. Example 1, too weak. People need to eat healthy food. Too vague, not painful. Example 2, just right. Busy young professionals are struggling to find a healthy, home-cooked meal option during the work week, which leads to them overspending $300 a month on low-quality takeout and feeling fatigued. Your homework. Take your customer and your pain points, and write 3 different versions of your problem statement. Then, choose the one that captures the most cost and the most urgency. This is the problem you will now commit to solving. That's step 1. Find the pain. Before you move on, you need to be able to talk about your customer's problem better than they can. Once you have that perfect problem statement, you're ready for the next step. Join me for step 2, where we answer the biggest question of all: how to know your why, mission and vision.